Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to check Google storage. Okay, so you can check your storage. As you know, Google provide 15 GB free storage for your Gmail account, for your Google Drive and your Google Photo. Okay, so you can use up to 15 GB for these three services. So how you can check this? How much GB or how much space are free in your Google account. So I will show in my Android phone and I will show you on my desktop also, so you can follow the same step on your desktop one and your Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we start starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So first guys, how to check on desktops? Just open your Gmail account and just scroll down, and here you can see the option call, yeah, in bottom you can see this is storage, 15 GB storage, and I have used only 0.46 GB only. So if you want to check how much is left, so just click on it. So new tab will be open and you can see here. Okay, so you can see you got the 15 GB storage. Your storage is shared across Google Drive, Google Gmail and Google Photo. As I told you, this storage shared across Google Drive, Gmail and Google Photo. So here you can see in Google Drive I have used 0.31 GB, in Gmail I have used 0.9 GB, and in photo I have used 0.4 4 GB. So if you want to check details, so if you want to check in Google Drive, just click on this button. So then your Google Drive will be open and you will see the storage here. Okay, so you will see your all files and folder of your Google Drive, and you can see total storage of individual files, total size of individual files. Okay, so you can see here, and same as you can check on your Google Photo also. Click on it and you can see the all photo size, and here. Okay, so you can see the 4 6. Okay, in Google Photo I have used only 0. Okay, total I have used 4 5. Okay, so here you can see the total I have used is only 4 MB. Okay, 460 MB. Okay, 460 MB. Okay, for photos I have used 460 MB out of 15 GB. If I click on it, so you will see all details. Google Photo, yeah, same as you can see. Okay, so large photo 40 MB. You have photo 40 MB. I have photo about 40 MB. Okay, you can clean Google Drive or Gmail from this link. Okay, so now we are going to show on phone. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, now we are on my mobile screen. So how we can check? You can open Google Drive application or Google Gmail application. So let me open the Google Drive. Okay, so you can check for many if you have more than one Gmail account login here, so you can check by just switching it. So if you want to change check this current Gmail account storage, so you have to go in this three line option, and here you can see the storage. You have to click on it. A same page will be open which I show in my desktop. So this is total GB I use for Google Drive 34. You can how you can manage store. You can click on it and you can check. Okay, so you can buy more space if you want from here. Okay, so you can upgrade from here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.